In this video, I'm going to show you how to add or edit a vendor in Wave. To begin, head over to your Wave dashboard. Once you are there, locate the left-hand side menu and click on the Purchases option to expand it. From the expanded menu, select Vendors, which will take you to the Vendors section. To add a new vendor, click on the Add a Vendor button located at the upper right-hand side of your screen. The first step is to enter the vendor name, which can also be the name of the company. Next, you need to select the vendor type. Choose Regular if the vendor is a business or company. If the vendor is an individual or a freelancer, select 1099 NEC Contractor. Selecting 1099 NEC flags the vendor as eligible for 1099 reporting, though Wave does not require you to upload any forms at that moment. After selecting the type, you can enter the first and last name of the vendor, which is typically only necessary for individual vendors. You also have the option to add their email address. Then, select the country where the vendor is located. Once the country is selected, the currency will automatically update to match it. Next, choose the province or state within that country and enter the vendor's address. You can also include additional details such as the city, ZIP code, and other relevant information. For more comprehensive details, click on Enter Additional Information, where you can add the vendor's phone number, fax number, website, or any other relevant details. Once all the information is entered, click Save, and your vendor will be successfully added to Wave. If you need to edit an existing vendor, the process is equally straightforward. Locate the vendor in the list, click on the arrow at the end of their row and select Edit. You will be taken to the same form that appears when adding a vendor. Here you can make any necessary changes, such as updating the vendor's name, adding any fields you missed earlier, or modifying any other information. After making the changes, click Save, and your updates will be applied successfully. And this is how you can add or edit a vendor in Wave.